Lucky Kasungi, a passionate environmentalist, and today was inspecting some of the trees that I planted some months back, and I'm glad that most of them are doing well. So it's just a matter of post tree planting management. So, and one of the activities that I usually do for planted trees is pruning and also copicing. So pruning ensures that these trees grow straight, and also they grow healthy. And also inspecting the trees helps you to identify if they're infested or identify diseases during their early stages.